What's up guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I have something a little different for you. You may or may not have seen this floating around on the internet. I know that it's made its way a little bit on the beauty community, but I wanted to give a crack at I swear I'm gonna butcher her name, Jodi Hulme? I'm gonna say Hulme. I am going to take a crack at a look that she did a few months back. I will put a picture here to show you guys a reference of what I'm referring to. It is amazing, and it's so amazing how simple it really is, but it is such an amazing look. Like it really, it's so eye attention grabbing. Like you just can't look away. I love it so much. And so today I figured that I would give it a try. I am not comfortable with doing makeup that is kind of like illusion or special effects or anything like that. It's definitely something that I wanted to give a try, so that's why I'm doing it here today. But I really just wanted to see how well I could pull this off. So I hope that you guys will sit back and enjoy me take a stab at it. That being said, I'm probably going to do this as a like a speed through kind of video. It's not a tutorial, it's just something I wanted to take a crack at. So I didn't want to necessarily do this in a tutorial form. So I'm probably just gonna speed through this video so you can see the process. Whoa, dude. The white makes my teeth look even more yellow than they already are. I don't care to whiten my teeth, but this makes me want to whiten my teeth. But seriously, holy sh**. I love how this turned out. I'm so proud and so surprised that I was able to do it. I was really nervous that I was not going to get this stuff to work, but I figured out how to actually use it. I love how this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!